Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. So it is currently, where's my phone? So it's currently 7:23 at night, guys, and Daddy and I will go to Coles and do some grocery shopping, guys. And Paris is not with us this because she's having a nap. So Mimi has to stay home as well, obviously, to look after Paris.
Probably wake up. I'm sorry, she could probably go to sleep now for the rest of the night.
Yeah. So we're here now, guys. We're just going to Coles in Braybrook. Oh, there's a plane. Ready, Daddy? So guys, I asked Daddy to train me. I want to grow my bum, but I don't want to eat healthy food.
Basically, I want to take the piss.
He gets really angry, guys, because, like, you know, there's, what was that, Daddy? You have to do both, eat healthy and work out.
Yes.
So get the thing, Daddy. But you know, I love my rice, guys. I love my McDonald's. So I don't know how am I gonna do it, but still, that's what I want to do. Well, they're closing soon.
Really?
They closed this spot already, Daddy.
Close soon.
Well, they close at 9, I think. So it is
Mine?
7:30.
You sure to close mine?
Yeah.
I don't reckon. 10 maybe.
Have some avocado. Shall I go get rice and toilet paper and all that now, or we'll go together?
Let's do it. I'm not in a rush, but I don't think Paris will wake up.
Yeah. Are you gonna miss me? If I go.
I don't think Paris will wake up.
Huh?
She didn't sleep today.
Yeah. Paris is so tired, guys. Well, she woke up late this morning because she went to bed so late last night. So she'll probably, and she didn't have a nap, so she'll probably just, you know, off for the day. Bob, get nectarine for Paris, Bob. Was that nectarine or apricot? Nectarine, yes. Surprisingly, Paris likes nectarine, guys. She surprises every day.
But she like, oh, stuff.
What's that? Is that very
Mangoes.
soft now? So last night, guys, I was so sleepy and Paris was very awake, and it was already 11 o'clock at night, guys. Luckily, Daddy was so thoughtful. He took Paris downstairs and they watched some cartoons and that while I was sleeping. So that was really good.
Remind me to get frozen broccoli
Frozen broccoli.
rather than fresh.
Yep. Oh, look at this, guys. Oh, it's sweet pointed capsicums. At selling at tagas, guys. That's pretty cool. Ini lang kamuti, guys. Tagko kay guys. Oop. Durian, guys. all got ham ready for Christmas, guys. $9. Lidu saya meninggal guys. So, Saladaga. Nag-message na si Madam guys. Fabric conditioner, toilet paper, rice, burger toy. Kaya demanding po ni si Madam Kayla.
I got a salada.
I think that's pretty short for her.
No, it's like the same ones as you got. Like the them songs.
No, the Skyflex is softer, I think. I'm so thirsty, guys. So I'm just gonna grab water.
Yeah.
Guys, it's my lucky day. It's half price for the rice, guys. Instead of 20, it's now down to 10. So guess what I'm doing? I'm grabbing those two. Uy! Lipay kasi manay dyan. Nakabarate ka sila. This akong bugas. Daddy, can I grab this too? I'll grab toilet paper. Oh, too big. Parang burger toy guys. Kaya nga ni Minggay. Naghandom bitag burger guys. Look at this receipt guys. Wow. We are now home and this is the receipt, and all in all guys we paid $184.88. So I'm gonna show you what we got from Coles. So we'll start with this one guys. Ooh. The toilet paper. It was on sale guys, and that's for $10. And then next that I got here is actually this water guys. I got so thirsty while I was walking inside the shop, so I just grabbed this one, and actually I drank the water before I paid for it. But it doesn't matter because, you know, at the end of the day you pay for it. So and next one we got is these capsicums. Yeah, put them away ready. And then we've got some sweet potato. There you go guys. They've got big sweet potatoes guys. And then we've also got mango slice. Yum, and that's $5.20. And then Dada got butternut pumpkin, and this is my favorite guys, beef soup burns. So let me kayo maglauya guys. And this one is for $7.90. But huh?
Sorry.
What was that?
That's in the oven. You finished that.
Yeah, we'll probably have it tonight actually. We went to Coles, guys, without bringing our own plastic, so we had to pay. Was it 15 cents each? Buck? So now we have millions of these. So the next one we've got is this baby spinach and these puffed corn chips, chili, and also we've got 2 pieces cucumber, a Lebanese cucumber, and I don't know what this one is. Enoki mushrooms. I haven't had that one before, but you know Daddy is really into his healthy food. And the next one we've got, guys, is we only get 2. What is that?
Fruit.
We've got apple, green apple, and we've got 3 avocados. We've got blackberries. What else we got? We bought some nectarines for Paris. Paris likes it. And then almonds, roasted almonds. And we've also got a pink lady apple. And then we've got mixed olives. Then I got 2 of them. Mediterranean. And there's steaks, so porterhouse steaks. And turkey mince. Wow, okay. And then, see guys, Paris is upstairs and she's still asleep, so I think she's just gonna go to bed now, and then you know she'll probably just wake up too early tomorrow, or hopefully after I left for work. And also we've got this shoestring. It's some potato chips, and Daddy got the almond milk. That's one. There's 2 of them. And biscuit. And shower gel. Oh, thanks Daddy, I forgot about that. And there's yogurt, probiotic yogurt. And for fabric conditioner, guys, for washing. And then down to the last bag, guys. So we've got blueberry bagels from Coles. What's this? Cruskets. Apparently Dada loves it when he was a kid. So hopefully Paris is the same. Knowing that Paris is very fussy. And then guys, we've got black beans. These are all for Daddy's cooking because he's the chef. And we've got instant coffee. And also we have our full cream milk for our coffees. And then, it looks like Yakult, guys, but it's not. What are they? Probiotic. By Coles brand. That's the one. And then we've got tuna, 3 of them. And actually there's 4 of them. And there's another black beans. And we've got honey, pure honey. And we've got again the Coles brand, guys, because it's cheaper. And this is mine. This is the Greek yogurt with a hint of vanilla bean. So it is sweet, guys. Of course, we love our sweet stuff. And then the last piece in the bag is this. What's this, Bob? Beef and pork chipolatas?
Yeah, chipolatas.
Chipolatas. It looks like, one guys, longanisa.
That is the sausage.
But that's it. And then I'm gonna show you the last one. Ta-da! Rice is life. So guys, my heart actually beat so fast when I saw the tag, guys. It says half price. So 5 kilos for this jasmine rice, guys, is originally $20. So half price is 10, and there was, well, there are only two how do you call it, packets left, so I just grabbed the 2, guys. So yeah, there's few different types of rice, guys, at Coles, but for some reason they don't really taste as good as jasmine rice. So yeah, because this is very soft as well. You cook it during the night and in the morning it's still very soft, so that's what I like about it. Yeah, so that's about it. So that's everything we've got from Coles, guys. So once again, Dada paid $184.88. And it says in the bottom, guys, total savings is $35.20. So yeah, yeah, that's about it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and please give this a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. I would appreciate that. And yeah, I'll see you all in the next one. Oh, Daddy, want to say bye? See you all, guys, in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, Daddy, until now he doesn't know what I said, but because because he's still, he actually doesn't care. He doesn't care, guys.
Thanks for the awkward kiss.
So I'm starting to slowly get Daddy join me on my vlogs, guys. For some reason I don't think he likes it, but I'll get there. But yeah, thank you very much, guys. I'll see you next time. Have a good night. Bye.